Is Snoop Dogg doing Martha? Written by me, Tom Dontigny. Is Snoop Dogg doing Martha? Well, we all want to know, is it so? Do they do it doggy style? Oh no, no. Is Snoop Dogg doing Martha on the down low? Is Snoop Dogg doing Martha? Do they do it doggy style? Most folk then and now really wanna know, is Snoop Dogg doing Martha? Say it ain't so. Martha can really cook. Just take a look. In fact, she has written a book, How to Cook. She had a TV show on which Snoop would appear. I guess Snoop can also cook, but no book, no fear. Cause Snoop can really write and rap. It was his claim to fame. He's now past that. Finished his career without once being shot. Those days were less violent, perhaps not. Snoop Dogg doing Martha? Well, we all want to know if it is so. Do they do it doggy style? Oh no, no, no. Is Snoop Dogg doing Martha on the down low? Is Snoop Dogg do it doggy style? No, no.